Okay, today I wanted to do just a quick overview of a hand pump. So this is the hand pump in question that I'm going to review today. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not a paid promotion for any product or vendor that I mention in this video. So it's a manual hand pump that you pump up and down with your hand. And what I used it for was I had a sprinkler control box that was below grade, and one of the valves was cracked, and so the box was full of water. So I used this pump to pump the water out of that valve box, and it worked really well. It's quick and easy to use. This one comes with a 6-foot flexible hose.
Wow.
Multiple uses, as you can see here. And you simply screw the corrugated hose onto the outlet of the pump, and it's left-hand threaded. So if you turn it to the right, it's not going to thread on for you. You have to turn it to the left to get it to attach. And then if it ever gets clogged with dirt or debris, you can simply unscrew the bottom of foot valve on the pump, remove the debris, clean out the pump, reassemble it.
Wow.
The price for these are right around $30 to $40, depending on where you buy it from. If you have the longer hose, like this one with the 6-foot, or you have the shorter 3-foot hose. And you can buy this at Lowe's or Home Depot, online, etc. So just a quick demonstration. I have here a 5-gallon bucket, halfway full of water. I'm going to place the pump in the bucket. First, I'll attach the hose. And you can see it's not screwing on because I'm being a knucklehead and I'm turning it to the right instead of the left. I promise I have used the pump before. So anyways, we'll get it to go on here in a second. So again, even turning it clockwise, it'll still work. It'll just squirt some water out the hose there on the top. So I'll see if I can demonstrate. Then you simply pump the handle, sucks the water up. You can see it moves a good amount of water pretty quickly. And that's about it.
Woo!
Easy. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.